Hey friends, if you wish to delete the thumbs.db file in network folder on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. Now this is not difficult. Just open the Files Explorer and then go to View and then go to Show and check Hidden Items and then go to this PC, search for thumbs.db, hit enter. It will need a while to open this. Now this is one method. You can delete it if you find it here. But I prefer a better method, disk cleanup. Why? Because this thumbs.db file is associated with the thumbnails, and if you are deleting it from the disk cleanup option, it will still be clearing the folder, although this file will be recreated later. So search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and go to disk cleanup. Click on OK for C drive. Make sure that it is C drive here. Then check all of the boxes here, each and every single one of them, and then click on OK and then click on delete files. Wait for a few seconds and it will delete all the files including the thumbnail file. So this is how I delete the thumbnail cache. Okay, and this will solve your problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.